evacuation work on the ground. Prime Minister Peter O'Neill announced this today in an exclusive interview with NTV News. Deputy Prime Minister Leo Dion left for Kokopo today after Parliament adjourned to take charge of activities there.
Straight after Parliament adjourned today, Prime Minister Peter O'Neill told NTV News the government was on top of this issue and is in constant communication with the people on the ground.
Chief Secretary was advising me this morning about the arrangements that we have in place now, standby, ready for any further deployments should it be necessary to assist those officials on the ground, evacuate our people to resettle on safer ground. But we are closely monitoring with the officials on the ground.
He thanked the people affected by the eruption and the provincial and district administrations for working together and said the government stood ready to assist. He further said while the eruptions were quiet with no immediate danger at this stage, officials were closely monitoring the situation. He announced a 1 million kina funding to assist those affected with the evacuation needs.
In Britain, for the Tavurvur, our treasurer has made available 1 million kina. That is now being discussed to them to assist in transportation of our people and our logistics there.
Governor for East New Britain and member for Kokopo, Eremantu Jr., who was in Western Britain yesterday for official engagement, is under also travelled to